Welcome back, everybody, to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with massive catalysts. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering DigitalBridge Group, ticker DBRG, a leading digital infrastructure investment firm managing data centers, cell towers, fiber networks, and edge assets powering the AI and cloud boom. Blockbuster news dropped today, December 29th. SoftBank Group announced a definitive agreement to acquire DigitalBridge for $4 billion, offering a 15% premium to Friday's close and valuing the company at a significant markup to its recent trading range. The market is erupting. Shares are surging over 40% in pre-market, trading to around $20 on explosive value, capping a transformative year focused on AI infrastructure growth. This deal accelerates SoftBank's push into next-gen data centers, with closing expected in the second half of 2026. Premium buyout, lock in gains, or hold for close? Share your thoughts below. Like for more deal alerts, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Now guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.